What's up guys, TechFlash here, and today we are going to unbox and review the latest Samsung Galaxy Fit E, and this is the cheapest wearable from Samsung that you can currently buy, and these are going to launch very soon in US and Canadian markets as they are already launched in Asian and European countries. Now you can see that this is called the Fit E. There are two versions of this same wearable. One is called the Fit and the other is the Fit E, which is basically the economical version and the cheapest wearable from Samsung. Now this one is going to directly compete with the Mi Band 3, which is the most popular fitness tracker across the world. Now the Galaxy Fit is the color screen version and the stands for the economical version with the monochrome screen. So you're not getting the same perks with the Galaxy Fit E. Its price in US is not listed right now, but the Canadian price is around 70 Canadian dollars, so you can expect some great pricing for the Fit E. Now, if you consider this product in Asian markets, then this product is not a whole lot good because in those markets, Xiaomi is very strong, but in this market, the US and Canadian market where Xiaomi products are not easily available, this one should be a very compelling deal. Opening up the box, the first thing you will see is this booklet, which I believe contains all the paperwork which we are seriously going to ignore this time around. And then there is a warranty card, which by the way I cannot use because this is not from my country. And the other thing you will find is the fitness tracker itself, and the first thing you will notice is the fact that the screen size and the overall body size of this fitness tracker is quite smaller than when you compare it with Xiaomi Mi Band 3, and also the display is flatter because Mi Band 3 had a very curved display. The band on this thing is changeable, so you can easily change the band and change the colors of this fitness tracker. It comes with in white and I believe yellow color, and then there is this charging dock slash wire, and I'm just going to open this up. And I always hate this plugging in a type of mechanism because it is very difficult to put your device in. I believe if every manufacturer starts using some kind of magnets in their fitness trackers, that would be real great. Now to start this device for the very first time, you have to connect it to the power source so that it can turn on. I'm using this power bank for that purpose. And when you will start this device for the very first time, it's going to ask you to connect it with a Samsung wearable app. Now in Samsung devices, this app is already pre-installed, but if you have some other Android device or you are using iOS, then you have to download this app separately. It's available on the Google Play Store and iOS, so it's easily downloadable. I'm just going to open this up, and then this watch is going to connect with via Bluetooth very easily. Now I'm not going to bore you with the specifics, but installing the application and connecting the device is very easy. You just need to install some applications, and then the whole process is breezy, so you will not find any kind of problems. Once you have actually figured this out, your application will start, and you can see that the interface on this Samsung wearable app is quite good. In fact, if you compare it directly with Xiaomi, then this one is leaps ahead of what you get with Xiaomi. The first option you get is the user manual, so you can read the user manual directly from the app. Then you have this battery percentage option. And the next option you can see is the Samsung Health application. So this wearable directly connects with Samsung Health and syncs all your health data directly to the Samsung Health app, which means that you can track all your activities using the Health app, as the Health app not only combines your fitness tracker data but also takes data directly from your cell phone and also collects data directly from you, so you can insert what food you are going to eat, what's your height and stuff like that, and then it's going to give you suggestions based on that. Once you have figured all things out, then you can go back to the Samsung wearable app because there are multiple features that you can toggle. So the next feature you can see is the alarm option. Then there is the weather option. You can see the weather directly from your watch. Then there is this find my band option, which actually vibrates your smartwatch, or I can call a smart fitness tracker, and the vibration is not so pronounced, so you are not going to find it, but it is helpful when you need to find your cell phone. You also get the notification option, so you can see various notifications directly on your smart band. Now I want to mention here that in case of Mi Band 3 you can see the whole notifications, but in case of this smart band you only get to see the name of the person who's sending you a text message or the name of application from which the notification is coming around. You can toggle different applications on or off, so you can get notifications from some particular applications. There are other options to change various settings, like when you want the screen to wake up, you can double tap to wake up, or you can lift your wrist. I have selected both because right now this is the only option I find convenient, but you can set it up based on your orientations. You can see that the lifting mechanism is quite reliable, and as soon as you move your hand a little bit, it turns on the display. So I've turned it on to the boat because most of the time when you are lying around, this thing does not work. The sensor configuration on this one is quite standard. You get a heart rate monitor, a pedometer, and a sleep tracker. So there is no option for a blood pressure monitor, and all the options that are available are quite accurate. So if you are into running or you want to go to gym, then this one is going to give you some accurate amount of data, so you can rely on this one. And I have compared this directly with the Mi Band 3, and I find that both of these wearables are quite accurate when it comes to their measurements. Also, I want to include here that this Samsung wearable is just as water resistant as Mi Band 3. You can dive with this one, and it supports a water resistance up to 50 meters, which I believe is quite good. I haven't dived with it, but I have put this smart tracker in different types of water buckets, and I haven't felt any kind of problem. Another thing that I really liked about this smart band is the fact that you can control everything from the application. Even the watch faces are easily controllable via the application of Galaxy Fit E, and the application interface is really easy and good. So you can set up different types of watch faces, and you can also customize different types of screens. So if you don't want some screen appearing on your smartwatch, you can actually remove it so that you can keep the important stuff appearing on your smart band. Also, you have the customizability option when it comes to the smart band, so you can remove the smart band and buy some separate bands with different colors. And I believe that if this band is successful, then you are going to get some third-party bands from the market, but right now there are not a lot of options available. Talking about the battery life on this thing, Samsung claims around 7 days of battery backup, which is not a whole lot, but when you consider that Samsung's estimates are based on the full usage of this device, then these estimates are not quite different from what you get with other fitness trackers, as if you turn on some certain features of this device, you can get much better battery life out of this. And I have no problem using this device for 7 days and then recharging it. However, the charging mechanism is a bit too difficult for me. Other than that, I want to include here that if you are living in a place where Xiaomi Mi Band 3 is not available, then this one is going to be a much better option than Mi Band 3, as you are going to get the customer support. And also, if you're using a Samsung phone already, then this one is going to be a perfect companion. But for those people who already have Mi Band 3 in their region officially, they can skip this one because this is a bit expensive than when you consider it with Mi Band 3. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. If I missed something around, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you are new to the channel, do subscribe. This is Tech Flash going out. I will see you in the next one.